Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3, the latest official version from Apple. Before updating, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. You have at least 10 GB of free storage. Go to settings, then click on general to check your iPhone storage. If needed, delete unused apps, photos or videos to free up space. Then open settings again, click on general, then software update and check for updates. When iOS 18.3 appears, click on software updates. Download and install your iOS 18.3. Enter your passcode or Face ID if prompted. Important, if your iPhone has less than 50% battery, plug it into a charger before installing. The update may take a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. If you don't see the update or prefer another method, connect your iPhone to Mac or Windows PC on iTunes Windows or Finder for Macs is connected. Select your device and check for updates. Click download and install. iOS 18.3 is available for iPhone XR, XS, XS Max and second and third generation and newer. Not available for iPhone X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 6s or SE first generation. So that's it. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.